What are you doing? What are you doing? It is time to drain the irrigation system to prevent damage from ice in cold weather. And it is a yearly event in the fall. I start from the lowest part of the system, which is the water intake. I disconnect the flexible suction hose to let most of the water out of the system. The cam lock fittings makes the disconnect relatively easy between the flexible hose and PVC pipe. The pipe is buried at a constant slope so water can drain out completely. I also drag out the flexible hose to inspect the foot valve and wash everything as I store this hose indoors. This hose is held in the deepest part of the pump by a weight and a stick. This whole section of plumbing to the pump is 2 inches in diameter. I'm not a fan of dragging all this stuff out each year. And one day I want to redesign this part to be more efficient and elegant. But who knows when? With all the projects I want to do, I will likely keep doing this for years. Besides, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I push a stainless steel kitchen scrub in the PVC pipe to prevent critters from entering. While she washes the hose, I turn on the valve to let the creek water flow all winter long. Flowing water does not freeze easily. Now I need to drain the water pump. Like most water pumps, it is better at pushing than sucking water, so it is placed as close to the water level as possible. Another benefit is the section of pipe from the pond to the pump needs to be full of water when priming the system. Most of the water will drain from the suction hose at the pond, but some will remain in the pump and pipe. And I need to drain both. In the spring, I will connect a garden hose from the pond to the pump, and gravity will feed the pipes and the pump with water. Priming the system requires at least filling up the pump and suction pipe with water, otherwise it won't work. Once primed, the pump is ready to be turned on. But this year, I decided to do a few upgrades to the pump. Instead of removing the drain and fill plugs every time, I will add a valve to each location, making things cleaner and easier to maintain. When water comes out of the fill port on top of the pump, I know the pump is full of water and ready to work. Stainless steel wool is excellent for plugging holes and keeping critters out. The drain plug is 1/4 inch, and I use a piece of old air hose I saved. I don't have enough room to install the valve, but removing the handles on the valve body provides just enough clearance. With a few adapters to step down from 1 inch to 1/4 inch, I did the same to the fill port on top of the pump. I look forward to seeing how it works in the spring. I still need to drain all the irrigation hoses. I lay the hose on the hill and let gravity do its work. There's a video I did called Irrigation. Check it out if you're still watching this video. It may interest you. This blue 1-inch garden hose is expensive, but it saves time when watering. It's like using multiple standard size hoses at once. Money can buy you time, sometimes.